Mr. Has Been. Mr. Bean has been a hit TV program for a long time. Mr. Bean has been preparing for this exam for 2 weeks. He's ready. Mr. Bean has been operating on a patient. Mr. Bean has been visiting London the past 3 days. Mr. Bean has been identified as a bad man at the airport. Mr. Bean has been washing his clothes at the laundromat. Mr. Bean has been trying to get to sleep. Mr. Bean has been making funny faces all day long. Mr. Bean has been trying to get the man's attention for the last 10 minutes. Mr. Bean has been dancing in front of the police for a long time. Mr. Bean hasn't been to the dentist in a long time. Mr. Bean has been trying to use the phone for the last 30 minutes. Mr. Bean has been sleeping all night until now. What have you been doing lately, today, for the past few minutes? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.